here goes Roddy.
So who wants to go next? Wait. What you've gone. We'll get you up there. Smile. You're having fun. Remember, it's
that's my boy. That totally sounds like something I would say.
You're gonna let it, ready?
Smile.
Yeah!
Legs up now, hook your knees on. Oh, that was so
That was a good try.
Wait, legs up now. So wait for my call, wait. Legs up now. Oh,
Nice.
Close.
when I say hep, open your hands, okay? Ready?